Hey, it's Bailey Bible here with Industrial Power for another episode of Shop Talk. Finally! I know it has been a while. I am sorry. It is lovely to speak to all of you again. Behind me is a beautiful yellow bus. If you are an ISD, we are here to support all of your needs. Whether you need Allison, Cummins, full rebuild, warranty, or just general service, we are here for you, as well as body shop repairs. We have an 18-bay body shop with a 50-foot paint booth, so we can take care of any of your needs, including liftgate repair or wheelchair lift maintenance and repairs. Lastly, if you need to use a contract and you don't want to piggyback, you can use a co-op. We have buy board and tips that are specific to ISDs and super easy for us to get you on them. All I have to do is send your purchasing team a W-9 and we're good to go. Now, please call me with all of your needs. Again, Bailey Bible at 214-277-1590. Thanks and have a good day.